Hey there, this is Camry. Welcome to my channel. So this is part 2 in my fall cleaning series, and today I'll be cleaning my ceiling fan. If you would like to see how I do that, just stick around. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. For this job, I have my Palmolive antibacterial, and I'm just going to mix that in some warm water in my bucket here. Ooh. Oops. Okay, so, and then I have an old pillowcase, and I just am going to dip this pillowcase in my warm water, and then I'm going to take it back here to the fan, and I'm going to show you how I clean the fan blades with this pillowcase. One more thing, you really want to squeeze out all the water. You don't want this dripping wet, you just want it kind of damp for this job. Alright, so how I do this is once I'm up here, I take the pillowcase and I put it over the fan blade and I just start scrubbing that blade. And I like this technique just because it keeps all of the dust inside of the pillowcase instead of the dust going everywhere. And I used to use a spray when I would do this, but I found that just wetting the pillowcase does such a better job. And then you don't have all that spray going all over everything too. So alright, so now I'm going to get my microfiber cloth and I'm just going to wet it, and then I'm going to go up here and that is what I'm going to clean the light fixtures with. And I'm also going to clean like around the motor and the pull strings. So this is how the fan turned out with this technique. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks. Bye. Could it be different? Could we be different? 'Cause I'm not so young.